Hello, healthy beauties. Welcome back to Zeena's Wellness, where we dive into the magic of eating well to look and feel fabulous. Today, we're exploring some incredible superfoods that are not just good for your health, but amazing for your skin. Avocados, packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that moisturize the skin. Blueberries, a super antioxidant that prevents skin aging and repairs skin damage. Spinach, loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and K, which protect skin and enhance its glow. Walnuts contains omega-3 fatty acids essential for maintaining skin's elasticity. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and blemishes. Let's put these superfoods into action. Today, we'll make a simple blueberry and spinach smoothie and a turmeric-infused golden oatmeal. Here's how you can easily make these at your home. Recent studies show that incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly improve your skin's health, reducing acne, wrinkles, and improving hydration. Foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties play a crucial role in this. Thanks for joining me today. Try incorporating these superfoods into your diet and watch your skin transform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on staying beautiful naturally. See you next time.